Okay, children. Welcome to my class. Welcome to School Mathematics. And today I have brought here the topic algebra. Okay. In this algebra also we will learn about factors. It's from basic one. Okay. Without learning this, we cannot factorize in algebra that I am going to show you here. Okay. We are going to learn about algebra. Okay. And it's about factorization. How the factorization is done in algebra that I am going to show you here from the basic steps. Okay, from the basic level one. It is very useful for the students of the school level. I hope my streaming is coming clearly in your area. Okay, it's for all the students of school level. Okay, of all schools in Nepal. Not only in Nepal, it can be used by the students of other countries too. Okay, managing this streaming. Here, first one, number one. Okay, I want to show you here what is the meaning of factorization. Okay, suppose there is given one term, there is, as we know, terms are separated by only plus and minus sign. Suppose here is 3x square y. Okay, that means it is only one term. It is only one term. It is only one term. Okay, and in this case, look how to factorize. Okay, we have to show this in factorization form like this. Look here. We have to write here 3, right? Multiply by x, and you know that x square means there are 2 times x. Okay, it's factor. Look here. X into x into this multiply by y. Okay, if we factor this monomial, okay, we show the its factors like this by using the multiply sign. Okay, and we show them. Okay, 3 multiplied by x into x square means x into x, and y only one y. Okay, like this we have to see there. Mm. Okay, I'm still managing here. Streaming. Okay, okay, it is here. Okay, here is one long songs. Hi, sir, telling. Okay, hi. This is the basic thing for the factorization. Okay, and in this video, I am going to teach how to factorize. Okay, look here. I have shown this 3x square y. Its factorization will be shown like this. Okay, we have tried there 3 multiply by x into x, x square means x into x, and multiply by y. Okay, this is the factorization of only one term. If there is single term is given, we have to use like that. Okay, I hope you understood this one. Okay, how to factorize in this case. Okay, and now look here. I want to show you there one more example related to this monomial factorization. Okay, see here, and I'm giving here number 2. Okay, suppose there is given x square, okay, and y cube. Okay, and if there is here nothing number given, that means 1. We have to understand there is 1. Okay, in front of this term there is 1. Then its factorization will be done like this. Look here, 1. It is not compulsory to write 1. If you write also nothing happens here. There will be 1 as the coefficient of number. Okay, now numerical coefficient we can tell. And this is x square means we have to write x square multiplied by x square. Okay, then multiply by y cube means it is y multiplied by y. Okay, multiply by y. Okay, like this we show the factorization of this monomial, right? This is the way to show the factorization of the monomial. Monomial means there is only one term. Okay, terms are separated by only the plus and minus sign, but here is only one term. That's it will be 1 multiplied by x into y multiplied by y into y, because it's a y cube there. Okay, like this we have to understand this factorization of monomial. Okay, now look here children, now I am going to show you on the base of this one. I hope you understood this, how to factorize the monomial one. Okay, now look here. I'm going for the different types of question, that is, this topic is given to factorize. Okay, suppose there is given to factorize like this here. This is factorization. Okay, question like this: factorize ZE. Okay, like this we show there's factorize, right? Like this we have to write there question factorization. Okay, factorize, and in such case, suppose there is given like this location in here. Here is a x. Okay, right? And there is another term, there is suppose bx. Okay, it means look here, here is using plus sign. Okay, that means here are two terms. Okay, how many terms? Two terms, right? One term is ax and the term is bx, right? There are two terms here in this question. Okay, in this question there are two terms, because this term, first one is ax, second one is bx. This is separated by plus and minus sign. Okay, only terms are separated by plus and minus sign. Okay, neither by division nor by multiplication. And if there is given two term, look here, when you do factorization, first of all we have to write a solution. Okay, this write solution. Okay, right here solution. Then okay, write this question again here. Ax plus here is given bx, right? Here is x plus bx. Then we need to write here, is there this one factors, we know a into x, right? A into that we can add dot also here. A into x here is, right? Plus here we can show this b into that b dot x. Okay, this is b into x, and here's look student, here is also x, this is also x. Okay, then we can take it common, same factor we can take it common, and we write that x only, right? This x and this x we have taken common. Then what is remaining from first term? From first term there is remaining a, and here is plus sign also remain here, and from the second term there remain b. Okay, like this. What are the same factors of the terms? What are the same? Look here is x, there is also x. That's why we have taken this x common. It is called common taking. And what is remaining here? Inside the bracket we have tried this remaining. that is a, from here a, and from the second term there is plus b. Okay, like this we take the common. Okay, right? And here become two factor. Now here is multiply sign, and this x is one factor, and this a plus b is another factor. Here are the two factor now. One is x and is a plus b. In this two term, we took, okay, we have taken this one, same factor common, then x remains outside, okay, this one common taking one, and what is remaining from first term, that is written here in a, and what is remaining in b, that is written here plus b, then close the bracket. Okay, like this we take common. Okay, this is the way to factorize by taking common. How to solve, okay, or how to factorize by taking common, it is the way. Okay, now look here, I want to show you, this is 3 number a, okay, this I am writing here a, 3 number a, this is question, okay. Now I'm making here b number also, okay, related to this common taking one. Okay, children, then right there, and I'm using here the question. Look here, I want to take the question. Suppose like this given there. If there is given question like this, a square, right, plus ab square. If there is written question like this, okay, ab square. And what is the factorization of this type of question? Okay, first of all, write here solution. Okay, write here solution, and then what you have to do? Look here, write here solution, right, and a square plus, then we have to write here ab square. Yes, and children, first of all, look there. How many terms are here? Okay, here are two terms. In this is first term a square, and this is second term ab square, right? Then in this two term, okay, in this two term, a square means what? A into a. We know. Okay, it means a into a. Okay, and it means here ab square means a into b. And what are the same factor of this two term? We can write here as a into a, okay, a square means, then this is not compulsory to show here, this is just shown here for the easiness, okay. AB square means what? A into, that's multiplied by b square means we know b into b, right? This is not compulsory to show, but if you show it becomes easier. And if you know that a square means a into a, it's not compulsory to show, okay. It will clarify. Look here, here's a, here's also a. This is the same factor. A is the same factor. That's why we take that same factor as the common. That is a. If you take common a, then here will be a plus a common. Then here is remaining a plus, now what is remaining here? B multiplied by b. B multiplied by b, that is b square. Okay. Here will be remaining b square. From the first one, a remaining, and from the second one, there is remaining b square. Like this, we factorize by taking the common. Okay, this is the first way, first method to factorize, okay, binomial one, okay. If there is common, first of all take common, then only forward the next step. First of all, we have to check if there are common, we have to take common. Okay, children, this is factorization one. Now look here, children. Okay, for the you know easiness, I want to show you there another example also, right? The another example is, look here, I am going to show you here C number, right? This is C number, and this C number I want to give here like this 3xy, right? This is 3xy first term, and another one is there 6y square. Suppose there is given 6y square, okay? And if it is asked to factorize, then we have to write first of all solution, okay? Right here solution, okay? This is solution. Then write the question once more here. This is 3xy. Okay, write it 3xy minus 6y square. Okay, write it 6y square. Then we have to keep the equals to sign. As we know that 3xy means what? 3 multiply. This dot means multiply. Okay, and here is x and this multiply by y. Okay, and the 6 means what? Do you know? 6 means we know 2 multiply by 3. Okay, if we don't know, then we can factor like this. Okay, write 6 and we have to do 2 3 is 6, that's why in place of 6 we can write 2 multiplied by 3, then multiply by y square, given that y square means we know y multiplied by y. Okay, now see there, what are the same factor there, what are the same things in these two terms? Look here, right, like this here. Here is 3, here is also 3 common, right? This 3 is common, this 3 is common, okay? Then here is y, okay, here is also y. We can take that common, same one, write a 3y common, okay? And then after, if you take 3y common, what is remaining here? There is remaining just x only. And here's minus sign right there. And this 3 also taken common, then 2 left here. Okay? And y into y already gone common. 1y already gone common. No, this is, then we have to write here 1y left. Okay? Like this. One factor is 3y, right? And another factor is here x minus 2y. X minus 2y is one factor and 3y is another factor. Like this, we factorize the given algebraic expression which has two terms. Okay, first of all, do like this. Clear? I hope you are clear about the factorization. Look, one more question I will do here related to this factorization. This is D number. Look here. If the question is given like this, what will you do? Look here. If there is given x cube, okay, look, Celine here. Right here, x cube, right? Minus x square. Look, in this question, how to factorize? Look, write a solution. We can write solution like this. Okay, and we have tried question once more here. Okay, this is x cube minus x square Okay, this is x square. As we know that x cube means what? Look at x cube means we have to write x multiply, okay? This dot is multiply x into x, okay? And here is x square means x multiplied by x. Then we have to find out that x square is common, right? If we take here x square common, look here, children, write here x square common, and here is remaining x only, and here remains, look, x square gone common. In front of this, there is one coefficient, okay? We have to understand that on this one coefficient will remain here. Now, if we take all the common, there remains 1, okay, as the remaining factor. I have shown a different question, okay, which in which we apply that common taking. Look, children, there. Okay. Now look here. I want to show you here. Next question. I want to clear this board one. Okay. Suppose there is given like this question. What will you do? Okay. Next question. The question is that factorize. Okay. This is factorize. Factorize it. Okay. Factorize and question is given like this. Look here. There is p cube. Okay. P cube given minus 3p square cube. 3p square cube is the next term. In this condition, how you will factorize here? For this, write here solution. Okay. Solution, right? And right here equation, this is p cube, okay, minus 3p square cube, okay. And in this one, look, it is clearly seen that here is p cube, here is p square. That means p square is same. Then we can take p square common here, write a p square common, and from this p cube, one p is left here, okay, and minus from this p square gone common, then here is left 3 cube. This p minus 3 cube is the remaining factor, okay, this p square after taking this p square common, okay, this is our answer. Take common which are same in the given terms, okay, like this you have to do. Now look at children how to do the next question. I am going to show you. Next question is like this is also factorization, okay, question is there factorization, okay, look at factorization, factorize, okay, and I'm keeping here in this factorization there are two terms. Look here, one term is this one, a multiplied by a plus a minus b, okay, a minus b, okay, this is a multiplied by a minus b, and next one there is plus b is there, and b is multiplied with a minus b. There are two terms like this, okay, this is one term and this another term, okay. In this case what to factor, look, this is the same, clearly seen, look here, this is a minus b, this is also a minus b, a minus b is same factor, right, it's common, okay, which is same factor, take it common. Now remaining factor put in another bracket, its value is a, right, a plus, and its value is there b. If you take a minus b common, here remaining a and here remaining plus b, write that in also bracket. Like this we factorize like this questions, okay. Look, I want to add here one more question, okay, let's do this. How much answer comes, you can also try here. Here I have shown here question is factorize and this also, okay, factorize. Okay, RIZD right here. And question is given there A multiplied by A minus B, A multiplied by A minus B, and next one is there plus B, right? Multiply with A minus B, okay, A minus B. Suppose there is next term also, you can tell that is given there, suppose A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square means A minus B two times, we know clearly. Suppose there is A minus B whole square, okay? And this condition, how to solve this question, look here, I want to show you here. Clear? Here is factor. Look here. First of all, write this question. Okay, write solution here. Short form solution like this. Okay, and we write this A multiplied by A minus B. Look here. Here are two factors. Look here. One factor is A and the factor is A minus B. First term. Now next also there is second term. The two factor. One factor is B and another factor is A minus B. Write the same plus. Okay. A minus B whole square means what now? Look here. A minus B, okay, it is multiplied with A minus B, right? A minus B multiplied by A minus B, right? Like this, 2 times A minus B, okay? Now there are three terms, look here. This is first term, and this plus separate another term, the second, and plus this is another term, okay? Third term. Look, in all these three terms, what is common there? There is common A minus B, right? A minus B is common. Then remaining one, right, in another bracket. Here is remaining A, right? If you take A minus B, M is common, here is remaining A only, and plus here is remaining B plus, okay? And here, what is remaining? Look, plus sign is there, this plus sign. A minus B has common, and that's why here is remaining another A minus B, okay? Right here, another A minus B. And now look here, what to do? In the same bracket, there are like terms. Look here, there are like terms. One like term is plus B, another is look here, minus B, right? We can cancel, it will be 0. B minus B 0, then A plus A it is 2A, right? A plus A is 2A because its coefficient is 1, its coefficient also 1. Then answer should be written like this, okay? This bracket 2A right front writes 2A multiply with A minus B like this we have to write. Okay, like this factorize this type of question. This is the way to factorize this, okay? This type of question. Clear? By taking common. First one factorization method is we are doing here. By taking common, we have to show there, okay? Have to write like this, okay? Hello, Amog. Okay, I'm showing the another question also now related to factorization by taking common. Okay, Look, the question is like this here. Another question here I am writing. Suppose there is a question is asked like this, okay? Factorize asking, okay? Is asking to factorize, right? In this factorization, suppose there is given question is, suppose the question is like this given, what will you do? Now look here. If the question is given like this, x cube plus x square, okay, is given x cube, right, plus x square, okay, and there is given x only, right? In this case, what will you do? In this case, also we have to say common only. What is common in all? We have to clearly we have seen there in all there is x common. If we take x common, then here is remaining x square, okay, and here is remaining 1x, okay, x square plus x plus here's its coefficient nothing is directly 1, okay. If x has gone common, then here will remain 1, okay. Like this we have to factorize. Like this we have to factorize by taking common. Okay, we have to factorize like this, okay, by taking common. Okay, so then now look here, I want to show you there. Okay, I want to talk with my viewers, okay. Hello, Amog. I hope till here you understood how to factorize, okay, by taking common. Okay, now I want to clear this board, okay. Then I want to start the next method of factorization. First method of factorization I just told by taking common. Now I want to show you how to factorize if they are given four terms, okay. In such case, what should be applied, okay, for the factorization I want to show you here in the next one. Okay, now see here. I want to clear this and I want to show you another method of factorization, which is known as factorization by grouping. Okay, right here, factorize. This is question also factorizing. But here in this question, we have to group. Okay, suppose there is given question like this here. What to do in such question? See here, children. There is question AB. Okay, one term is AB and another term is there B, C, D. Okay, suppose here is also C. Okay, ABC here also suppose ABC and second term there is BCD. Second term is given that BCD. BCD plus what is the next one? And the third term is given there CDA. CDA. Okay, and fourth term is given there CD square. Okay, there are altogether four terms. In this case, look at what to do. First of all, let's make the grouping. Okay, right here is question solution. Okay, then solution right here. Okay, and we have to write this question once more here and making the terms of group. Okay, first one is ABC, right? And next one is BCD, right? And third one is there CDA, right? And fourth one is there CD square, right? In this two term, look here. In this two term and in this two term, is there common or not? Look here. By taking common only, it will not be the solution. Okay. By taking common, we have to check the remaining one also. Look here. Here is BC. Here is also BC. If you take common here, BC, right? If you take common here, BC, what is remaining here? Here is remaining A, right? And if from the second term remaining D, right? D, okay. And look at what to check. After taking this third and fourth also, what is common? Look there. There is common of fourth and third. Here is CD, here is also CD. Take a CD common, right? If you take CD common, what is remaining here? Here is remaining A. Here is remaining A plus CD common, that D square. That's why 1D is remaining here. 1D is remaining here. CD common, right? CD common, right? This is A. A is remaining from first. CD square, the CD gone common and 1D is left. Whether it is right or wrong, we have to decide from here, okay? Here is remaining A plus D. Here is also remaining A plus D. Okay, if A plus D is remaining same, that means our factorization is correct. Right here, A plus D as the common. Take A plus D common, and then right here, what is remaining? BC is remaining there. Okay, and here second one is remaining plus CD. Now, still we can check there common. Okay, is there common here? No, there is no common in first one, right? A plus the same, right? Like this. And now we can take common from this BC and CD. There is C common, same. This C common, right? Same front here. And if we see take C common, what is remaining here? Here is remaining B, okay? And here is remaining D. Okay, from this both C is taken common. We can add the same front and remaining add bracket. This is the method of factorization by grouping. Okay, we have to put the group those terms in one group. No, by taking common, remaining in the bracket must come same. Look, I want to show you one more question related to this. Then you will be more clear about how to factorize grouping. Okay, the question is there. A square BC, okay? Here A square BC plus, and second term is that AB square C, AB square C, and third term there's ABC square, okay, right here. ABC square right there. Okay, and fourth term there is given ABCD right here. A B C D. Okay, in this condition, what we have to do, look here. Look, children, here. There are four terms, right there, solution, okay? Right here, solution. Okay, right here, solution. And first of all, write the question, okay? Write A square BC plus AB square C, okay? And third one is there, ABC square, okay? Write like this. Plus, and fourth one is there, ABCD, okay? This is, now let's check here. From this two, if you take ABC common, here is remaining A and here is remaining B. And from this two, look here is A, B, C common. Then here is left A, B, C common, and here is left C. Okay, C square, that's a C left, and here is D left. This is C plus D. And here, if you take A, B, C common, here come A remaining, and here is B remaining. Here is not matching. Okay, remaining one. That's why we have to change the grouping one, this and this. Look. Now let's change by grouping first and third. Okay. Let's put together what happens. Look here. A square B. Okay. This A square, this part 2. Okay. A square B C plus. Now I'm keeping this third term in second place. Okay. This sign is plus ABC square. Okay. I'm writing here. And plus this second term I am keeping in place of third term, that is here A B square C plus right here A B C D, right? Okay, and then what will be there, look, in this two question, what is common now? Look there, A B C common, right here A B C common. Then what is remaining here, children? Look, here is A square, that's why one A is remaining here, and here is C square, then one C is remaining here. Okay, we have taken one C common. Now look here, children, what is common in this two term? Here is ABC, right? A B C common, and here is remaining B. Okay, here is remaining B, and here is remaining what? ABC common, here is remaining D. And now we have to check that. Look here, its remaining one and its remaining one is not same. That's why this grouping also not good. Okay, that's why let's see there another way. Let's make the grouping another way now here. Okay, in this question, one is A square B, and the one is AB square C, and the one is ABC square plus, and one is ABCD. Okay, now what we should do, look here, let's make the grouping of the first and the last term. Okay, see here, our grouping will be correct or not? Look here, write it A square BC plus, and what is the last term here now? A B C D, last term, and this second and third term together. Okay, Right here AB square C plus right here ABC square. ABC square, okay? Right here ABC square like this. Then see here now what is common in this two? ABC common, right? A B C common. And from here a square, that's why I write one A here plus. And from here ABC common, then what is left there? D is left there. A plus D remaining here. Then what is common in this third and fourth? Look there. A B, okay. AB AB there is right. Then what we have to do? A square BC here is AB square C and ABC square. Then last one is ABCD. Okay. Then we make the group of. Okay. Then what is remaining? Look here, AB common. Here is also AB common. And here is left what? AB common. Then what is left here? AB common. B square there is. And C also common. There is C also common here. Okay. ABC common. Then I left one here. Here is remaining B plus and here is remaining C. Okay, look here. Here remaining and here remaining one also not coming same. In this case, what we have to look here, I want to show you clearly. We tried a lot here when there is given four terms. Okay, we have taken this first two terms also common and the last two terms also common. Here's ABC, here was C, and here was D left, and here is okay. Also, we changed and it did not come. Okay, and we took this first and third also. Okay, then in this case, what to do? In such case, what we have to do? Look here, children. In this case now, what we do, look here, children. Now, take the common from all. Is there ABC here? Is there also ABC? Okay, here is also ABC. Here is also ABC. Then take the common here. A, B, C common. Then what is remaining here? Here is remaining A. Okay, and here is remaining B, and there is remaining ABC common. There is remaining C. Okay, and last one here is D remaining. Right, like this we have to do. This is one factor and this is another factor. Here is common from all. Right? They in grouping one, you know, we made the group of this and this term together first. Okay, the remainder was not same with the remainder with this. That's why we have taken common from all. That's common ABC. Then we have tried A plus here is B, here is plus C, and here plus D. Like this, we have to solve it. Okay. Okay, if the grouping with this first and second and first and third and first and fourth is not coming correctly, then what to do? Check the common in all and remainder in the bracket will be the other factor. Okay, like this we have to do it. Now look at children, I want to show you here one more question. Look here for this grouping one, I want to show you one more question, that is question this. Look, see here the question is x square plus 3x. Okay, x square plus 3x and plus that is given 4x plus 12. Four terms are there. This is 4x plus 12. Okay, and right here a solution. And in this solution, what will be there? X square plus 3x. Okay, plus here is going to suppose 4x plus 12. Okay, then as I told you, four terms, let's take common if this two. X common, then right here is remaining x, and the second term there is remaining 3 plus 3. Okay, and now let's take common this two term. There is 4 common because this 12 means we should understand there is 4 into 3. Okay, here 4 3 is a 12, that's why 4 common. If you take 4 common here, what is remaining? Then right here x plus 3 is left here. Okay, 4 common gone, then 3 left here. Now look at it, our grouping is correct because here is remaining after taking common x plus 4, and here is remaining x plus 4. Then let's take the x plus 4 common now. Right here x plus 4 common, right? And then what is remaining here? Here is remaining this x plus 3 also we can write first. Okay, this we can write x plus 3 also we can first common. X plus 3 common first, then here is remaining x. The previous one also it was correct. X common remain here. After taking x plus 3, x remaining here, and here is remaining 4. Okay, like this we have to solve it. Okay, now look children, I want to show you the another question. Okay, in this question, whether it is correct or not, I want to show you. The question is like this here. I'm showing D number. Okay, the question is like this here. The question is like this. This is a cube. Look, a cube plus, okay, and next one is given there a square. Okay, here's a square, and third one is there ax. Okay, ax here is, and fourth one is there x only. Okay, plus, and fifth one is there a, and sixth one is there 1 only. Okay, in this case, what to do here? Solution. Okay, I write this question again here. A cube and a square, there is a square common. Okay, if you take a square common, okay, this a square common, here is left a, here is left plus 1. Okay, and if you take here and here, look, it is ax plus x. Okay, if you take x common, here is left a plus 1. Okay, correct, and last one there is a plus 1, 1 common only. Okay, then we have to see that, see here, in this two question there is a square common. Okay, if a square common, here is left a plus 1. Okay, right, and now last one, look here, and this one, look here. Okay, I want to connect that energy one second. Just a minute, look. Here's ocean, Ocean, okay, ocean. Now from this first two there is a square common, a plus 1 left, and this look here, second and second and third also there is x common, right? X here. Then what is remaining here? Here is remaining a plus 1, right? A plus 1 there. Okay. And last two there is also common, one only common. Okay. Its front also 1, because in 1 also we can add 1 into 1. If you take 1 common, there remain also a plus 1. Okay. Now look here. Okay. Now look here, in all there is a plus 1, here is a plus 1, here is also a plus 1. That means our factorization is correct. Then right here a plus 1 right here. Okay, a plus 1 is common. And what is remaining from first? That is a square. And remaining from second one is there x, okay? And remaining from last there is 1. Like this we write from all a plus 1 common, and from the first a square remaining, from the second remaining plus x, and last there is remaining plus 1. This is the answer for this question. Okay? Like this we solve here this type of factorization. And there is okay. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. This is very useful for the factorization, okay, of algebra. Okay, it will be very, very useful, okay. Keep watching and keep revising this similar type of question, okay. Then you will be clear about the factorization. Okay, children. Now, okay, I'm going to show you one more question. See here, I want to clear this now. Now, I want to add there one more question. The question is that, see here, suppose there is given question factorization, look here. Factorize, question is factorize, okay. And here is given x to the power 5, x to the power 5 given there, plus next term is given there x to the power 4, and next one is given there x cube, okay, x cube, right? And next term, fourth term, there is given 2x square, 2x square right here, plus then there is another term, there is 2x, okay, and final one there is 2, okay. In this question, how to factorize, okay, I want to give you ideas, okay. Let me use the one, spectacle one, okay. Okay, okay, was in with gaming. What a name this is. There is Amog Munjal. Okay, and another one the launch song also, but there's I think it's not real name. Okay, anyway, you are my strengths. This all are the strengths. Okay. In this question, look at how to factor. Look at there. One, two, three, four, five, six terms are there. In such questions, look here. What you have to do see here. I want to show you. First, write a solution. Okay. And look, write this question. This is x to the power 5. Okay. And there is next one x to the power 4. And next one we can write here x cube. Okay. And next one we can write here 2x square plus is 2x, okay, plus 2. Look here, children, here in this question, look, these three terms look similar, okay, type, and these three terms look similar one. There is, here is in all, there is 2 common, here is in all, there is x cube common, okay, x cube common, let's take them. If we take x cube common, there will 5x, okay, here is x into x into x into x into x, okay. If we take x cube common, then here is the meaning x square, okay, because altogether there were 5x. So there is now 3x, x into x into x is common taken, then here is x square remaining. From here also x cube gonna come, then here we have to write x, only one x, and then here x cube was there, x cube one common, then here is remaining only one, okay, 1 as the coefficient. Similarly here, from this all, there is common 2. If we take 2 common, here is remaining x square plus, if we take x square common, no, here we have taken 2 only. 2, 2, 2, 2 common. Here remain x square, here is x remaining. Okay, here is remaining 1. Because 2 ones are 2. Because 2 multiplied by 1, here is okay. We can write 2 multiplied by 1, 2, no? If we take 2 common, here is remaining 1. Okay, children, this one, after taking this remaining and this remaining, they are same. That's why x square plus x plus 1, this same factor we have to take common, and what is remaining here? Here is remaining x cube, okay, and here is remaining plus 2, that should be written in the separate bracket, okay. Like this we have to factorize. In this multiplication, here is multiplication, okay. This factor also we can add first, and this factor we can add first, no problem. Like this we have to, factorize this question here, okay, in this question. Look here, I want to show you one more question from here, okay. And like this factors, if this given question is given like this, look here. If the question is like this here, what to do? Question is 2x square, okay. It's 2x square, and another term is there plus xy, plus xy, and here is next one term is minus 2x, okay, and last one there is term y, okay. And look here, I suggest here is 2, here is 2. That's why I try to keep them together here, so that it will be easier. Or directly we can take here is x common, okay. We can take x common also, okay. But easier one is that 2 to 1 we can keep together, okay. Solution, right? Right here 2x square minus 2x here, so that we can take 2x to common, and now this remaining plus xy, Okay, then last one is there minus y. Now see here, if you take common, what happens here? Okay, see here is 2x, here is also 2x, 2x common take, but here was x square, 1x is remaining still here, and it's all terms gone common, there remain 1 only, right? Minus 1 common, and in this 2 there is y common, right? Y common. If we take y common, then here is remaining x minus 1, okay? Like this, here is y was there, y common gone, then 1 remains here. If there was only 1, because in front of this y there is 1, okay? 1 as the coefficient, that's why 1 is remaining. Now, what is common here and here? Look, this remaining and this remaining bracket one same. Then we can write this x minus 1 as the common, right? If we take x minus y common, then what is remaining there? There is remaining 2x plus y, okay? Like this, we have to factorize this question, right? This is the way to factorize this question. Okay, like this you factorize. If there is any other difficulties related to factorizing, you can share with me. The children who are in my class, okay, here in live class, if they have the difficulties regarding their study of the school mathematics, okay, they can share their difficulties also so that I can solve your difficulties also, okay. If you have difficulties regarding your studies of your mathematics book, okay, of any class of your school level, you can share with me so that I can help in your study. You can ask me from additional mathematics, that means optional mathematics also, or you can ask me from compulsory mathematics also. Of school level, you can ask me so that I can help you in your study of mathematics. This is the method of factorization by, taking common and by grouping. I have shown in this today's video, okay, how to factorize by taking common and how to factorize by grouping. And after grouping, we have to take common. Okay, how grouping is done, and that is shown here in this video. This is the complete video for the factorization of 2 by taking common. One is by taking common, and other is by grouping. After grouping, how it is taken common, okay? It is solved here in this question, okay? Okay, so then now we will meet in tomorrow's class. Okay, I'll come here by taking the new chapter, new topic. Okay, so that it will be very, very helpful for your study. Okay, today this much only. Thank you very much. See you again in the next class. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed my channel, okay, please subscribe and share with the friends also. Okay, it's the school mathematics. Okay, thank you very much.